Show me your stickers lang kami. Oh, what's her name?
Lena.
Huh?
Oh, it's Summer Road.
Okay, help Mabel. How about Mabel?
Think about like this.
Oy.
For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times with seatbelts. As we may experience near the air turbulence during the flight, please allow doors to be back to your section. Be seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched on. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deploying. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so.
Mabel.
May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead storage unit.
Come here. Lena, stop. Come on na, Mabel. Come on. Say bye-bye. Bye, Pokemon.
Mama.
Say hi.
Come on.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh, is it Lena approved? Is it Lena approved? How do you like the room, Lena? You like it? You like it? I think you will like the bathroom more. Yes. Ala, ate, oh. Your favorite, oh. Ah, susunod din yung maliit.
Lena, come.
Ay,
Lena.
kalaki ng busis mo. Oh, yan na yata. Say hi, ate. Come here, ate.
Ate, picture ka na.
Happy birthday to you. What's the other one? Oh, happy anniversary. Oh, room tour. Room tour sa actual kalat. Oh, magic